I see you wish to construct a new lightsaber. Select 2D animation workspace. Disable auto key. Add fill and stroke materials of your choosing. Draw your saber using box and line tools. Use edit mode to modify your drawings. Add a new grease pencil object. Draw a straight line for the blade. Add thickness modifier and change the stroke color to red. Add subdivide modifier simple level 5. Add build modifier. Use the factor value to animate. Add noise modifier. Change these values to animate the blade. Add couple rim and glow effects with altered settings. Add blur effect with low size. Parent the line to the saber. Change world color to black. Your skills are complete. Now you are the master.